on the way back from the Enchanted River, and we decided to make a detour and stop at the
Tinuy-an Falls. How do you say it?
Tinuy-an Falls.
Tinuy-an Falls, yeah.
Is that acceptable for you?
It is acceptable.
So let's show you these really beautiful waterfalls. Come on, let's go. Just walk down to the bottom of the second falls, and you can see there's another falls up in front of it.
Very pretty. I really like it here. Go on now.
Yeah, that is really guapo. Yeah. Joanne, let's.
I'm excited.
Yeah, that is so nice.
This is the nicest.
We've been to a lot of waterfalls, and this is now our number one waterfall. So you can see that Mama's posing already, and I think we'll have a little selfie as well. Come on. This is the hors d'oeuvres before the main course of the big waterfall over there. And I have the drone with me today, so I can't resist the opportunity to take it up and have a bird's eye view of these stunning waterfalls. Just walking up to the falls here. And we do like a waterfall on our channel. We've said this before. And that is the waterfalls, and there's another one a little bit further up. So we'll show you those. But yeah, that is super nice. I like it. What do you think, Joe?
Let's have a look there, and then maybe we can have a good view with the falls.
Yeah, we will. Yeah. So I think we're going to try and get a bit closer. We've just walked through the entrance. This is the top of the lower falls, and then we'll pan round, and this is the gorgeous how do you say it, Joe? Tinuy-an Falls, and it's known as the Niagara of the Philippines. That's true.
Is it true?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Or maybe Little Niagara. And that is stunning.
Hey, Joe.
Hi. I knew your name. That's a typical thing they shout to a foreigner in the Philippines.
Hey, Joe.
They shout, "Hey Joe," which is for G.I. Joe for an American. So. Hi. 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 So there you can see the scale of the waterfall. It's absolutely huge. Sorry. I'll just walk a little bit closer. You probably can't hear me now. I'm not sure because the water is absolutely roaring here. The kids are playing. So Joanne, what do you think of it? It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm getting a bit of spray off it. Can you feel the spray?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. I'm not sure whether we can go in the water or not, but I'm going to try in a minute. Well,
And the water, which is nice.
yeah, if you can just see our feet, we're just stood on the edge of the water now, and the water's quite warm. So yeah, it's not freezing at all. So yeah, it's lovely.
How is it? Yeah. Not bad swimming in this big waterfall. Looks like Dave is enjoying himself there.
Yeah, you can see the spray coming off down there in the corner. Yeah, majestic. Easily the best waterfall I've ever been to. And I didn't expect that you'd be allowed to swim under it. That's really... Yeah, there's a rope. Yeah, it only helps a little bit. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, they're doing a little rafting expedition there.
I wonder if they go under.
Well, we can have a look. So they're taking them out on the raft towards the water. That looks cool. It was surprisingly deep when I was in there. There were some rocks on the bottom, and sometimes you could stand and then you take one step and then you couldn't feel your feet under you. So I don't know how deep the deep bits are, but yeah, it's certainly deep enough so you can't stand up in places. And there's a lot of water coming down that waterfall, I can tell you. Ah yeah, they are. They're getting off and they're going behind the spray band, look at it. I'm not sure. Yeah, they're having a dip. Yeah, very cool. And if you want to visit this place, it's called Tinuy-an, and it's in Bislig in Mindanao. And I
recommend it.
And we also like bridges on our channel. And this little bamboo bridge is halfway between the upper and the lower falls. And it says, please watch your step. And that's cool. A little floating bamboo bridge across the river's waterfall. And they've all had enough of the waterfalls and decided they needed to stuff their faces instead. Hi guys, we're going to say our goodbyes from the bridge that we've just showed you. We're on the bamboo bridge at the moment. We've had a great day in Tinuy-an Waterfalls. The main falls is there behind us, still gushing away. So thank you for joining us. If you've enjoyed the video, we've got loads more on our channel, but we'll wrap it up for now. So bye bye and take care.
Bye.
Bye.